And just by adding this text, this AI generated all of these unique images for me. Hey, what's up guys? Nunu here. I want to introduce you to a new AI system called DALL-E. You can write simple text descriptions, like this one, and the tool will generate unique photorealistic images. You can even upload your own photos and select which areas you want to edit and retouch with other elements. It can even be something crazy, like someone asks you to put a house floating in space with balloons as rockets. It will give you an image based on what you asked. And you can even add more description to that text, and it will give you different images from what you added. But how does this work for architectural visualization world? I've been experimenting with DALL-E, and in my opinion, there is 4 things you could do with it. Number 1, generate design variations. Number 2, instant design variation edits. Add a project to an empty location, or type in your starting project that maybe you just had on your mind right now. So let's go through those key points in detail by showing you DALL-E on my computer. So let's start here our query with something related to architecture. So we could type house with white walls on the beach at sunset. We press generate. And so it will start generating all of these images. And by the way, this is an early access version. This is not commercial yet, so you cannot even buy this application. So it just can sign up for the beta testing. And this is the results that it just gave me. So basically, you can see it's a house with white walls and it's on the beach at sunset. So, and if I would add some extra elements here, so let's say with people walking on the beach. So I'm going to generate again new images based on the elements that I just added to the text. So you can see that we have here some houses. Right now it's very generic because I just put some house with the white walls, so just some generic house, or what it thinks it's a house. And you can see some people walking on the beach. So you could be a little bit more specific and say modern villa with white walls and red flowers on the balcony in a mountain with the sea as background. So let's see what it will give, this query. And so here I have my images. So you can see flowers, the balcony, and the sea on the background, and of course we are in a mountain. So I think it's pretty accurate, translating what you're asking to these images. And with this, we could move to the point number 1, which is generate design variations. And so now, based on that point, we are going to go to upload an image, and I have here a render of mine. I'm going to select it and continue. And here it's in a square type because right now it's only creating square images. So we need to crop our image. So I'm going to click done. And then I click generate variations. And so this is our first point. It will start from our design, our first design. It will give us a lot of different variations that we can choose from. And so as you can see, very quickly, I have 9 other images based on that design. And so let's say that I like some of this specifically, and this takes us to the next point, point number 2, which is instant design variations. So let's say I like this last one. And of course, when I zoom into the image, you can see that the car has some issues here, but I think this is nice for design concepts, quick design concepts. So let's say that here I click edit and I can adjust the size of the brush, and I want right here in front of the house, I want to have a dog sitting on the grass. I'll click generate, and it will create again several different images based on this new input that I added. And so here I have some images. This one didn't work out so well. This one is better. This one is too small. So again, some of them didn't work out. But let's say that I like this one. And from here, I will do another edit. I'll say that instead of this, I want to have here, let's say, palm tree. So I'll just write palm tree on the background. And let's see what it will generate, if it will give me a palm tree. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video, please let me know if you want me to continue making more videos exploring more options of this DALL-E application. So it already generated the image. And as you can see, we have a lot of palm trees that you can select from. So I like this design, for example, and maybe this first one as well. Yep. So you can see the original that we have, and now this one. So you could quickly see how the design will look if you have a palm tree on the background. And so let's move now to the point number 3, which is add a project to an empty location. So I have here an empty location here from Google Street View, completely random location, and I'm going to continue. Okay, and now I'm going to click immediately edit image. So I'm going to select here the area that I want to be added. So maybe something like this. And I could say modern house with gray walls with palm trees in front and a green lawn with a pool and edges on the sides. Let's see what it will generate. And so we have here some house. Didn't quite understood the gray part, but we have indeed a palm tree in front and some pool. Again, the pool area. Well, this one is not too bad. We do have the edges on the sides as well. We could try one more time. Let's see. Again, I'm going to select all of this area. Wooden cabin house with a large pool and hedges on the sides with pine trees on the background. Actually, with stone pine trees. This one was nice. Actually gave better results than the previous one. For example, this one, we have the stone pine trees on the background. We have this kind of like a cabin house with a large pool in front. And so you see that you could get more creative with this, and maybe it will be like a starting point to just type in what you would like to see, and maybe it will give you some ideas for your projects. But let me know in the comments below what you think it will be the usage for this tool in terms of architectural visualizations. And the last one is type your starting project. So this one is, if you have an idea, you don't even know exactly how it will be the project, or you just have a basic idea of how you would like things to be, you could type in all of these things with all the details that you can think of and see what type of images it will create. So I already have here the text, so I'm just going to paste it here. So this one I try to be really specific, and let's see what it will give. So it's an interior 3D render coastal style with white walls where the ceiling is curved, kitchen alley with bottom cabinets of light wood color. There's also a kitchen island with a golden faucet, and in front a large white table with wooden chairs with 2 black balls on top. The sun is almost rising. So let's generate this image. And here's the results. I think it looks pretty good, all the results. And I think it even got the lighting correct. I feel that the sun is rising on this picture. And just the cabinets here, they have a wood countertop and white cabinets. This could be changed, but overall, for example, this one, it's nice. I really think that you can start your project, your base project like this, if you are thinking about it with these elements, and just use this image as a reference and start your own project from here. And for example, just to check how good this application is, so I saw this project on Behance and I like this image, and so I wanted to type in the details of this image, not too specific, but to see what images it will generate. And so this is the query. So basically it's a man sitting on a black dining table with black wood panels on the walls and a small window just letting some light in. The man is reading a magazine and there's a vase with yellow flowers. So let's generate and let's see how accurate it will be to that previous image that we just saw. And so these are the images that it generated. So I think it looks pretty nice. It really reminds me of that image that I was seeing. And you can even ask to generate this in a specific art style. So let's see, for example, in a Picasso style. Picasso. Let's generate. And so this is the result. So I think it looks pretty good. And just for fun, let's try one more here, not related to architecture, but just for fun. So a man using a CRT monitor, those big square monitors, in 1635. And here's the result. So here we go. We have this man using the monitor, and just for fun, one last thing. Rembrandt painting of a man using a CRT monitor. It's very noticeable, the type of paintings from Rembrandt, so let's see if it can create a similar style. So here we go. In 1645 using monitors. Maybe they were already making 3D renders. And so that's it for today's video. Again, let me know if you would like me to continue making more content like this one with this DALL-E application, and let me know in the comments what type of content would you like to see. What do you think of this AI tool? In your opinion, what are the use cases for architectural visualization industry? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.